Hey, I'm just coming home from the 2018 CrossFit Games. There you go, like all the campers. Watched the final, super exciting. Super exciting. Had a fantastic time here in America. I'm going to take a flight now to New York and then go for a massive cycle ride to Massachusetts and then go back to New York and hang out in Brooklyn. But I just wanted to say thank you to you guys for watching the YouTube channel, for asking all the questions, for suggesting videos, for liking, for subscribing. You've made us one of the most popular channels for property in the UK, and I just really appreciate it. Thank you. The reason I do it, well, I love property. That's pretty obvious, isn't it? And people were really helpful to me 10 years ago when I started, and as a result I've been able to build a fantastic portfolio which should keep me and my family safe and, you know, good for my life and beyond. And I'm just really enthusiastic to share that information and that knowledge with you guys, because there's a lot of ways you can go wrong in property, that's for sure. It's a fairly unregulated industry, so you've got to be a bit careful. And I want you to have as much knowledge and be able to bring that knowledge into your brain to be as successful as you possibly can. So thank you very much for watching us. I get people saying, "Oh, I've just binge watched your channel," and I'm like, yeah, get the popcorn in, get the cup of tea on. You may have noticed we divide them into playlists, and I do that because I want, if you're thinking particularly how do I deal source, or how do I buy to sell, or how do I manage tenants, or how do I raise finance, or what's just general good business advice, or refurb, how do I manage builders, you know, that kind of thing, then you're probably going to want a specific playlist. So have a switch over to our playlist and have a good look and see if there's a particular one that's going to be most useful to you guys. But yeah, had a fantastic time in America. Going to go and eat a massive hamburger now. I've been eating great food all week, but I just figure, you know, being a fan, and I've spent so much energy being a fan this week that it's definitely time for a burger, and then flying to New York tomorrow. But thank you very much for watching the YouTube channel, and I hope you get a huge amount of benefit from it, and good luck in property. Go for it, nail it. You know from this channel it's tons of hard work. You know you're gonna have sleepless nights. So if it's at 3 a.m, you might as well just stick a video on, mightn't you? Because I'll probably be talking about the time I was sleepless at 3 a.m. So you know that that's gonna be part of your experience. But it makes an enormous difference to your life. So go for it, please, and succeed. Good luck.